hyphen helps us separate the parts of words, i.e., son-in-law, forget-me-not, and also 53. Oh, what a rustic-looking house. A hyphen is used within a sentence to show a separation between parts of a word. A hyphen is like a railway crossing sign. Just as a railway crossing sign tells you that there is a junction ahead, so a hyphen tells you that words are joined. A hyphen is more a mark of spelling than of punctuation. There are 7 ways to use a hyphen. One, a hyphen is used within a sentence to join parts of compound words. This rule can be inconsistent. For example, I have seen the word fly fishing with a hyphen, fly fishing as one word, and fly fishing as 2 words. When in doubt, always use your dictionary. Now, for examples of hyphenated words. Son-in-law. Son hyphen in hyphen law. Another example. These flowers are forget-me-nots. Forget hyphen me hyphen nots. Another example. Hig Brown is a hyphenated name. Heg hyphen Brown.